This video is sponsored, man.
Sponsored video.
Sponsored video.
Okay, before this video begins, we got sponsored. Company, AutoWit, reached out to us, and they sent us one of those portable jump packs. And Adam and I both had the chance to use it. Gets the job done.
It's so nice, actually.
Yeah, it's
like
sick.
Instead of like hooking up everything to flagging someone down who might be a murderer to jump your car, you just whip out this thing.
Yeah, so they sent us both one. Comes in a nice portable carrying case.
Look at this. So you got your cables here. Look at
Nice and organized. Your cables, your charger.
Yeah, so you can charge it by plugging it into USB, or you plug it into your cigarette lighter, your 12 volt.
Show them the unit, man. Show them the
Look at the unit, man.
Nice unit.
So there's your power button there. Your charging things. And you plug this in.
Yeah, so we don't have a car to jump right now because my car doesn't even have a motor in it. Adam's battery is fine.
Yeah.
But yeah, take our word for it. Works mint.
Yeah.
There's a discount code you can use. I'll go across the screen right now. Their links will be in the description. Make sure you check them out. And thanks again for sending these out to us. That's sick.
It's so nice to jump your car like this instead of whipping out jumper hill.
Yeah, so today we're going to go meet up with Kevin from Fanboys.
Great guy.
Yeah.
Great guys.
He has an RB20 swapped 86. I have some drifting footage, some in-car, some out-of-car from Pumpkin Smash a couple weeks ago. Yeah, we're going to go meet up with him now and do a walk around on his car, and then we'll play the drifting footage.
Let's do it.
Thanks again to AutoWit. Alright, so we're here with Kevin.
What's up, guys? This is my 86. Part of the Fanboys drift team. I've owned this thing for 4 years now. It was kind of a lost shell that I scraped up from someone's backyard and resurrected it. It's got an RB20 in it, weld-on flares. It's got a van axle in the back. It's got a bit of carnage, as you can see.
See that in the video?
Yeah, we have some drifting footage actually. We got some in-car footage. I have clips of how this happened.
So yeah, it's just a stock RB20 with BC Works custom front-facing manifold, stock turbo, external wastegate, just stock boost. The whole front crossmember is from an S13. So it's S13 front coils and BC Works steering angle. It's got power steering, so that's kind of different for most Corolla guys. Cut out the firewall, obviously, to fit the inline 6. Lots of people weren't happy about that, but when I got the car, it was already cut out. So
Can't be mad at that.
yeah. It's kind of whatever.
Can't even catch a break. Not even in our own studio, eh?
No respect.
I actually know the guy. Yeah. Just got like a basic body kit kind of pieced together. This is like a good line rep front bumper that's gonna need some repairs. Just kind of eBay skirts and a random rear bumper. Obviously I got seat. Moistboys hooked me up with the shift knob. Got the air freshener, of course.
Unreleased air freshener. Coming soon.
Smelling good.
Oh yeah.
Releasing soon.
But yeah, car only weighs 2,300 pounds. Obviously it's a little bit heavier in the front because of the motor, but it goes pretty good.
Got the vibes, got the vibes, got the vibes, got the
pick that up.
I don't think so.
Like so much.
All right, Adam's going for a rip.
Yeah.
She goes, man. All right, she goes. I don't know if you could see, but he was doing skids over there. We'll try and zoom into it on the edit. How's the shift knob feel?
Oh, she's feeling mint, bud.
Huh?
That was banging gears.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be so far away, but
Fuck, that was crazy.
yeah, well, that's that. With some drifting footage, some in car, some out of car. Yeah. Anything you wanna shout out?
Just say fanboys drift on Instagram.
Yeah.
Give them a follow.
Link in the
Yeah.
description.
What do you figure?
I didn't get to come along for the ride along, so
Yeah.
that was
COVID
sad.
and everything, you couldn't come.
Yeah.
Too bad. Anyways, hopefully you
Maybe
like
next
this
time.
style of video with some drifting. Maybe one day Adam and I will do some drifts.
Probably
I don't know.
not.
What do you think? Should we do some skids?
Get out there and give her a go.
We've been practicing on FR Legends and it's not great. We've been ripping some 4-car tandems with Ben and Nelson and it's not good.
Yeah, let us know
Not getting
if you wanna watch us ride off our cars. We can make it happen. And yeah, like, share, subscribe.
Yeah.
And-
Comment. What should they comment?
Your favorite fruit?
There you go. You have to say yours.
Pineapple.
It's a pretty good one.
That's a good one.
Some good pineapple in Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right on.
Yeah.
All right. Catch you in the next one.
All right.
Good guy, eh?
Holy fuck. Yeah, Kevin, great guy.
Kevin's a great
Actually,
guy.
an animal.
Make sure you
such a nice, like, kind of quiet guy, and then just a fucking animal.
make sure you check out fanboys and all the shit we'll put in the description.